Vettayan is a Tamil language action drama film directed by T.J. Ganavale and produced by Subhaskaran Allirajah. Captain Miller is a 2024 Indian Tamil language action adventure film directed by Arun Matheswaran. The film is the first part of planned trilogy and stars Dhanush is the title role. Moharaj is a Tamil language action thriller film directed by Nithil and Swaminathan. The film stars Vijay Sethupathi in the titular role. The film follows Indian 2 is a in Tamil language vigilant action thriller film directed by S. Shankar. The film is jointly produced by Laika Production and Range and Movies. Kamal Haasan, Greatest of All Time is a Tamil film directed by Venkat Prabhu. The film stars Vijay in dual roles alongside Prashant Prabhu Deva.